In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Snapchat collection ads. A collection ad showcases a main creative with tappable product tiles underneath, making it perfect for driving product discovery and quick conversions. Make sure you're signed in to your Snapchat business account and have your media, product links, and app details ready. Start by opening your browser and searching for Snapchat ads. Click the official Snapchat ads link to reach the Ads Manager, then log in. Once you're in, look to the top left for the business menu and choose Create Ads to begin. You'll first select a campaign goal. Pick the one that matches your objective. Catalog sales to highlight products from a feed, drive traffic for site visits, or app promotion if you want installs or re-engagement. Next, choose whether you want an automatic build, which streamlines setup, or a manual build for full control, and then continue. In the campaign setup, give your campaign a clear, descriptive name. Confirm the goal, set the campaign status, and choose whether to enable dynamic ads if you're using a product catalog. You can also set up a split test to compare variables and define your start and end dates. Move to the ad set. Name your ad set, then decide on tracking. Turn on Snap Pixel for web events, or use App ID tracking if you're focused on app activity. Set your optimization goal and bidding strategy to align with the result you care about most, like purchases or swipe-ups. Define your budget and schedule with either a daily or lifetime budget. Choose placements. Automatic placements are a solid default. And refine your audience by demographics, interests, or retargeting lists. Review delivery settings, then continue. At the ad level, name your ad and choose Collection Ad as the format. In the Creative section, click Set Up Media to upload your hero video or image. Add your brand name, up to 25 characters, and a concise headline, up to 34 characters, that clearly states the value. Set the destination details, including any attachment, your app name, deep link URL, iOS app ID, Android app URL, and app icons. Pick a call to action that matches your goal. You can enable ad favoriting, switch to a standard button color, choose a fallback type for users who can't deep link, and use a custom iOS product page if available. Choose how many product tiles to display, then upload a thumbnail or select from existing media. In the delivery section, confirm the ad status and add impression and click trackers if you use third-party measurement. Watch the live preview on the right to confirm your media crops, text, and tiles look perfect. Then click Review and Publish to go live.